flathead screwdriver. Want to loosen these two plastic buttons. While we're doing so, we gently lift up on the plastic cover here. Lift up the cover, set that aside. Now I want to go ahead and remove our ignition coils. Before we do that, we need to disconnect our connectors from the coil. There's a little tab on the side here. You can press it in, and then wiggle the connector off. The other ones you can use a pick and get into, press in on that tab, and then work those back. Using a 10mm socket, let's remove the nuts securing the coils. Now you want to grab the coil. You can gently work that up. If it doesn't want to pop off, you can use a pry tool underneath the edge of the coil here to lift that. Pull it straight up and out. And repeat for the other three. I'm going to take our ignition coil. I'm going to put a little bit of dielectric grease on the outside of the rubber boot. And just a little dab on the inside of it there. Line this up. Push that down inside. Repeat for the other three. Once those are all in and pressed down, I'm going to go ahead and install our 10mm nuts on the top here. All right, now we're just going to go ahead and snug these down. Once they bottom out just a little bit more, just kind of hold them in place. All right, once those are snug, go ahead and grab your connector. Line that up, push that down, and you'll be able to hear audible click once that's locked into place. Repeat for all four of these. I'll go ahead and install your cover right here.